Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to break down exactly how you can start making $1,000 a month through affiliate marketing and do it on autopilot. This means you won't need to constantly post, promote, or chase leads every day. Just follow these step-by-step instructions and set yourself up for long-term passive income. Step 1. Choose the right niche. Start by selecting a niche that you're either passionate about or that has a strong demand. Some evergreen niches include health and fitness, personal finance, tech and gadgets, and online education. Make sure there are affiliate programs available for your chosen niche with decent commission rates. Step 2. Pick high-converting affiliate programs. Don't just join any affiliate program. Look for reputable platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Digistore24, or ShareASale. Focus on products or services that offer recurring commissions or high payouts per sale. This ensures you're building a steady income stream. Step 3. Build a simple, conversion-focused website or funnel. You don't need to be a tech expert. Use platforms like System.io, Wix, or WordPress with drag-and-drop builders. Create a landing page offering something of value, like a free ebook or checklist, in exchange for email addresses. This way you're capturing leads and not just sending traffic away. Step 4. Set up email automation. Use tools like MailerLite, GetResponse, or ConvertKit to create an email sequence. After someone joins your email list, they should automatically receive valuable content followed by strategic affiliate offers. This automation allows you to earn money even when you're not online. Step 5. Drive targeted traffic. Focus on free traffic first. Start a blog, a YouTube channel, or use platforms like Pinterest and Reddit to share value-driven content. Use SEO strategies or trending topics to get discovered. For quicker results, consider running low-budget ads on Facebook or Google with retargeting. Step 6. Optimize and scale. Track your clicks, conversion rates, and sales using tools like Google Analytics or affiliate dashboards. See what's working and double down on it. As you start generating income, reinvest some of it into scaling with paid ads or outsourcing content creation. Step 7. Make it truly autopilot. Once you've identified a funnel and traffic source that works, automate everything. Schedule your content in advance. Use AI tools to generate email content. Outsource repetitive tasks. Build multiple funnels in different niches over time. That's the full blueprint to making $1,000 a month on autopilot with affiliate marketing.
It's not magic, but if you're consistent and set up the right systems, it absolutely works.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content on passive income, online marketing, and digital freedom.
Thanks for watching.